Welcome to the technical analysis of PTIX, Protagenic Therapeutics Inc. In this video, we will break down the recent price trends, volume patterns, key technical indicators, and possible scenarios for the stock. PTIX has shown a predominantly bearish trend, with consistent lower highs and lower lows. The price dropped from 0.85 to 0.72, a decline of about 15.3%. The highest price was 0.92, and the lowest was 0.68. The market sentiment remains cautious, with no significant recovery phases. Price movements have closely followed volume changes. Sharp declines, like the drop to 0.68, saw volume spike to 2.8 million shares, intensifying selling pressure. Recovery attempts had weak volume, signaling low buyer conviction. The average daily volume was 1.7 million shares, with distribution patterns dominating. Both the 20-day EMA and SMA are above the current price, acting as resistance. The 50-day EMA and SMA are even higher, confirming the medium-term bearish structure. A death cross occurred on November 10, accelerating the downtrend. Trading below these averages suggests limited upside unless a reversal occurs. Momentum indicators show weakening strength. The RSI is at 38, indicating oversold conditions without bullish divergence. The stochastic oscillator is at 25, confirming bearish momentum. The MACD line remains below the signal line, and Bollinger Bands are narrowing, suggesting reduced volatility but ongoing downside risk. Linear regression shows a downward slope of 0.004 per day, with 72% of price movement explained by the bearish trend. The regression line is at 0.74, above the current price, suggesting PTIX is trading below fair value and may decline further if the trend continues. Based on technical factors, the projected opening price for the next trading day is 0.71. This forecast considers the regression slope, moving average resistance, and momentum indicators, all pointing to continued marginal downside. Key support levels are at 0.68 and 0.65, with resistance at 0.77 and 0.82. The current price is close to support, suggesting possible consolidation between 0.68 and 0.72. A breakdown below support could lead to 0.65, while a move above 0.77 would challenge the bearish outlook. The 14-day average true range, ATR, is 0.03. This projects an intraday high of 0.75 and a low of 0.69. The expected trading range is between 0.69 and 0.75, with moves outside this range signaling a potential shift in direction. Three main scenarios. A bounce from 0.68 support could target 0.77 resistance if volume confirms. A breakdown below 0.68 may accelerate declines to 0.65, or range-bound trading between 0.68 and 0.77 may persist. The probability of a breakdown is 50%, range-bound action 35%, and bullish reversal 15%. PTIX remains in a bearish trend, with all technical indicators pointing to downside risks. The stock is below key moving averages, rebounds lack strong volume, and momentum is negative. Support at 0.68 is critical to prevent further declines. A move above 0.77 is needed for a bullish shift. Traders should focus on risk management and consider short-oriented strategies unless fundamental catalysts emerge.